Let me guess, you turned on your PS5 and the PS5 controller is not working properly. Perhaps it's got a little bit of stick drift to it, or it's not paired or synced properly. And you've already exhausted all the normal resources like turning off and on the controller, making sure that you've tried to repair it via the USB cable to your console, and you've also double checked to make sure that it's holding a charge, and you've also made sure that there's no software updates. So what do you do when you've checked out all of those? Well, you have to do a factory reset on your PS5 controller. And the easiest way to do this is make sure that you start by turning off your PS5. Turn over your controller to the backside and you'll notice that there's a small pinhole port. You need to take something that can fit in here. I commonly use a paper clip that I pull out and extend, or if you don't have that, a staple will work as well. Push it into this port and hold down for 3 to 5 seconds. Once it's done that, you can then take your controller, connect it to your PS5 via the USB cable, and hit the PlayStation button in the very center of the controller. Once your PlayStation has turned on, it'll automatically finish the pairing process and you're good to go. This will get you up and running for all of your PS5 games, and I find this to be the fastest and easiest way to recalibrate, refix, repair, resync any of your PS5 controllers, and it works 100% all the time, every time. I'll catch you all later in the next video. Take care, and of course, peace.